my dear students. I am fine. I hope you are also fine. Today, in my online class, I will discuss WS question. Firstly, I will give you my identity. I am Shoma Rai, lecturer in English, Paigasa Government College, Paigasa, Pune. My dear students, your Shoma madam is today is going to discuss WS question for class 12. In my previous class, I discussed why and I gave you some homeworks of that class. I hope you all have done those homeworks. My dear students, my first homework is Dhaka is famous for mosquitoes. Dhaka is famous for mosquitoes. Here, you know, I discussed in my previous classes two rules of WH question. Firstly, WH word plus rest of the sentence plus note of interrogation. Then rule number 2, WH word plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus verb, then rest of the sentence except answer, then note of interrogation. My dear students, number 1 homework is Dhaka is famous for mosquitoes. Here our discussing point is why. Our discussing point is why. So here for mosquitoes, why? For here, you know, in my previous class I discussed, if the question bears for, then you will bring why. Why? Then here it is object-directed rule and rule number 2, why, then WH word plus auxiliary verb. Here is the auxiliary verb. So why is, then Dhaka, subject. Why is Dhaka, then rest of the sentence. Famous. Why is Dhaka famous for? Then note of interrogation. So here mosquitoes is our answer and we will omit the answer from the question. Homework number 2. She went to the new market to buy a shari. So firstly, it is also object-directed rule. You will bring firstly why, because here 2 plus V on. You know, if the sentence bears 2 plus V on, you will bring why. Then auxiliary verb. Here there is no auxiliary verb and went is the past form of go. So you will bring did as the auxiliary verb. Why did? Then subject she. Why did she? Then verb, here go, because went is the past form and its present form is go. Here why did she, then WH words auxiliary verb, then subject, then verb, go, then rest of the sentence except answer. Go to the new market. Then note of interrogation. So our answer is why did she, our question is why did she go to the new market, because here from the statement you will make a question. Number 3, they arrived the place to enjoy the function. Here also it is object-directed rule. So why they here is also 2 plus v1. So you will bring why firstly, then auxiliary verb. Here there is no auxiliary verb also, and arrived is past form of the verb arrived. So you will bring did as the auxiliary verb. So why did, subject they, why did they, then main verb arrive, why did they arrive the place, why did they arrive the place. Then note of interrogation. Here to enjoy the function is your answer, and we will omit the answer from the question. Why did they, so why did they arrive the place, it is our question. Number 4, he was absent because of his being ill. He was absent because of his being ill. So here because of, here there is because of, and where there is because of in a sentence, you will bring why. Then auxiliary verb, it is also object-directed rule, W is word why, then auxiliary verb was. You know was is the primary auxiliary. Why was, then subject he, why was he, then rest of the sentence except answer. So why was he absent, it is our rest of the sentence. Then note of interrogation. Here because of his being ill is our answer, and we will omit the answer from the question. So our question is why was he absent. Then homework number 5, Cox's Bazar is rich because of its natural beauty. Here is also because of. So you will bring why firstly, then auxiliary verb is, why is, then subject Cox's Bazar. Why is Cox's Bazar, then rest of the sentence is, then note of interrogation. Because of its natural beauty is our answer, and we will also omit the answer from our question. My dear students, I hope you all have written this in your paper. Now I will clear my board. Please, my dear students, write down in your paper hurriedly. My dear students, today our discussing point is how. Another WH word. It is our last WH word, and it also it has also very long discussion. How means কিভাবে, কি প্রকারে, or in what way. Or in what way. My dear students, it follows also two rules, subject directed and object directed rule. Firstly, simple how. I will give you some example. Firstly, simple how. I will give you here some example of how. The boy Number 1, the boy caught the mouse. Caught the mouse by means of a trap. By means of a trap. The boy caught the mouse by means of a trap. Here, the boy subject, caught verb, then the mouse, etc. Object, etc. So, firstly, you will follow here the object-oriented rule. W is word here. How W is word? How? Then object-oriented rule, auxiliary verb. Here auxiliary verb is how. Here there is no auxiliary verb. My dear students, here there is no auxiliary verb because what is the past form of the verb? How. And if the sentence bears the past form, then you will bring did as the auxiliary verb. So how did, subject, the boy. How did the boy? Then rest of the sentence, caught the mouse. Here what is the past form? So as we bring did as the auxiliary verb, so we will write here catch, the present form of the verb. CAT, catch. How did the boy catch the mouse? How did the boy catch the mouse? Then note of interrogation. Have you understood, my dear students? Then number 2, I spend my leisure watching TV. I spend my leisure watching TV. Here you will bring also how. Firstly, it is also follows also object-oriented rule. How. Then spent is also past form of the verb and you will bring did as the auxiliary verb. Then subject I becomes you because in WH question first person becomes second person. How did you spend? Spend, main verb. How did you spend? Here my also first person. You will change the first person as your. How did you spend your? Then rest of the sentence leisure. Then note of interrogation. Here watching TV is our answer and we will omit the answer from the question. My dear students, it's very. My dear students, have you understood? Simple how. Then I will discuss another part of how. I will clear my board and you will write down firstly. You will write down hurriedly. Then if the sentence bears how bears height, if the sentence bears height, then you will bring how high. If the sentence bears depth, then you will bring how deep. Deep. If the sentence bears distance, distance of any places, distance of any places, then you will bring how far. How far. If the sentence bears speed or fastness, if the sentence bears speed or fastness, if the sentence bears speed or fastness, then you will bring how speed. How speed or how fast. If the sentence bears for plus, for or since plus time, if the sentence bears for, since plus time, then you will bring how often. How often. If the sentence bears once, twice or once, twice, thrice, every plus time, once, twice, thrice, every plus time, once, twice, thrice, or every plus time. Every plus time, then you will bring sorry my dear students, here once, twice, thrice, every plus time, if the sentence bears once, twice, thrice, every plus time, you will bring how often. And if the sentence bears for oblique since plus time, then you will bring how long. How long. Have you understood? My dear students, write down hurriedly. I will clear my board. Then, if the sentence bears number, if the sentence bears number, then you will bring how many. And if the sentence bears uncountable thing which is not countable, then you will bring uncountable things as oil, rice, taka, dal, sugar, that is uncountable. Or weightable thing, পরিমাণযোগ্য জিনিস, weightable thing or uncountable or weightable thing. then you will bring how much. How much? My dear students, I will give you some example now. Firstly, height. Number 1, the tree is 10 feet high. Here the sentence is expressing here the height of the tree. So you will bring how high. How high firstly. Then auxiliary verb is. Then subject tree. The tree. Then subject the tree. How high is the tree? Then note of interrogation. Have you understood, my dear students? Then number 2, depth. The pond is 10 feet deep. Here the sentence is expressing the depth of the pond. So firstly you will bring how deep. How deep? Then auxiliary verb is. Then the pond. It's very simple. Have you understood, my dear students? How deep is the pond? It's very simple. Then note of interrogation. Then number 3, how. Then number 3, how far. Distance, or here if the sentence bears distance of any places, distance of 2 places, then you will bring how far. Here I will give you a